Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this effect that you see on the screen right now. This is a good beginner tutorial, and you can do it in the free version. You're at the media for Pixabay. It's just a still. I'm going to stretch it out to 10 seconds. Then right click on it. New Fusion clip. Now you can't extend it any longer than that 10 seconds. It's more like a video. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. With the media in selected, get a merge. Click away right above it. Shift space and corner positioner. Plug it into the merge. Now get my transparent logo picture and plug it into the corner positioner. And select the corner positioner. And you should now have it on the screen. And then go to the merge. I'm going to turn the blend down to 0.8. You set yours to your liking. And with the merge selected, get a transform. I'm on a 30 FPS. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to put the playhead at frame 30, 1 second in. Set a keyframe on the size and the center XY. Take the playhead toward the end and take the size up and the Y. Then open your spline, select transform, zoom to fit, select all, and smooth. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.